How to fix conceal zip. Sometimes these zips spoil easily, very easy. They spoil. How to fix them? I'm going to show you how to fix them. Let's get it down to the bottom. You have to be very careful with these zip because they are very fragile. Very, very fragile. So I'm trying to get it down to the last bottom part. Last part. Okay. And then I'm going to use pliers and squeeze this part of the zip, because sometimes it is this part of the zip that is slack. So I'm going to squeeze down at the bottom of it with the pliers as gentle as I can. Gently squeeze it down. Both sides. Squeeze it down gently. From top to bottom, squeeze on it. Now I'm going to pull it up gently. Pull it up gently. It feels a bit tight because, all right, but here it is. Fix. Let's pull it down again. It's a bit tight though. All right. Go back down. All right. Up again. Here, fix. Don't throw them away. If you love your skirt, your blouse, whatever, you have this conceal zip, you can fix it. All the best as you try this method. Blessings.